Environmental conservation and protection should be everybody's concern. Such is one of the most pressing issues in this world of technological advancement. Our home, our only Earth, is facing a multitude of environmental challenges including climate change, deforestation, soil and water pollution, and loss of biodiversity. These adversities pose threat to the very foundations of our civilization and require urgent move from all of us. This is not a one-man job. This is a timely call for everyone. Conservation and protection of our planet is not only a moral imperative, but also an obligation for our own survival. We depend on the natural world for fresh air and sufficient supply of food and water. We will never sustain our existence without preserving and protecting our only home. Amid the trials and qualms of this global issue, there is still a great chance for us to prove that we care for the world we live in. Each of us has a role to perform in the conservation and restoration of our very own surroundings. We can start by making simple changes in our lives, such as reducing our energy consumption, minimizing our single use of plastic, and supporting local conservation efforts. Furthermore, let us push for stronger environmental policies and regulations from our government and institutions. This can include increasing investment in renewable energy, supporting sustainable agriculture, and protecting our forests, seas, and oceans. Ultimately, let us shift our mindset from consumption and exploitation to stewardship and preservation. We have to recognize the inherent essence of our natural habitat and work to protect it for our benefit and the future generations. Let us all commit to being good catalysts and stewards of our environment. Let's work hand in hand to conserve and protect our planet for a sustainable future. With this, the Department of Education Schools Division Office of Legazpi City, with its 56 public schools, has this commitment that we value. Our programs, projects, and activities vow allegiance in support to this call for environmental care and love. I, Schools Division Superintendent Crestito and Morcilla, commit optimism and the realization of our goals for environmental conservation and protection. Kudos to PBN Broadcasting Network Incorporated through DCGB-AM's Kayang-Kaya program. This is a broadcast worth appreciating and emulating. Tara, sabay-sabay tayong magkaya. Kayang-kaya?